Alright. I think that looks better. I'm going to, by the way, the way the zoom works and everything is quite nicely. I like how quickly one can get out and in within the zoom. And it's limited to a 10% on the small side and to it doesn't look like there's a limit. No. So maybe, well, 1600 times. Let's zoom out to back to right clicking with, okay, right clicking and then zoom out. Alright, so I was here. Let's see. So let's try to get this dot. Let's make this dot of a different color. That blue might work, but it works for the whole word, but I'm not sure whether it works for the dot alone. Let's make it orange. Orange could be, let's see, a little bit darker, like that. Yeah, I just want to have one color other than gray, shades of gray and black and white, only one color. And that orange cuts it. It feels too different with the Alvis side. Let's see. If I select the rectangle here. That's okay, but that doesn't look like ink at all now. Let's try to paint that I dot also orange, so it's the same process, I guess. Let's select this. I can do it from here. Alright. This is it. Put it out. And now let's color it. Oh damn, I didn't save it. This is a different one. Is there a way to pick this color picker anywhere? It looks like this is a color picker. Oh yeah, alright, so that was easy. No, that Y is gray, doesn't work. Let's try to make that again black or a darker gray. Let's leave it black for the time being. I want to see it in small. So the dot in the Y is a bit too small. Let's do something. Let's just duplicate the same dot both places and remove it here. Remove it. Now duplicate. Let's move it here. Looks good there, but it's a bit too dark here. How can we make it lighter? I'm worried about whether that orange will be usable writing on white. Let's try it on this one. So that I'm going to save that other orange also. I'm going to come here, save this other orange too. And now I'm going to apply this one. Alright, it seems to be able to be read. I'm going to try to write some text. Smaller and normal, and let's write it in that orange and see if it reads alright. In capitals, for example, for titles, or for this would be used mainly, I think, for links. So let's try some link. Alright, it can be read nicely over the white. And in capitals, So let's try it on a Arial. Alright, I can read it, so that orange is good enough. Now let's delete it here. Delete. Alright. And this in small. Okay. So I would like to make another blob, maybe. I'm not completely convinced about this thick in here, but let's try first to make another blob, a smaller one. Let's duplicate this. Let's see how we can resize it. Let's move it first. Okay. Scale. How can I change the scale of this? Format. No, that's not it. I don't know what that is for. Scale. Alright, so 20% of that? No, that's still too much. 10. Alright, yeah. Let's turn it a bit. Put it closer. So I'll continue playing with this, trying to get the right font for this N, or manipulating this. Maybe I'll convert it to shapes and then work with it, because that's very nice. You could actually work and change the shape of this to make it actually an ink blob. That could work. I might try that, and let's see what I get with. But all in all, the program has let me work. It's very intuitive. I really like the way they have this set up. I really like it. I also like the contextual way of working with this side. And well, I haven't worked with any of these Boolean things or any of these Gaussian shadows, blurs, and all that. I've already seen the tutorials on that, and it looks powerful, but I'm not really good at using those, and also I don't really like them to create a logo, because at the end I like things that are flat and not with gradients of different colors. If you need to print it, it looks much better, and you know much better how it's going to look if you have a flat thing. It's also better if you actually need to simplify it and put it in a negative kind of way, or in a white background, or so you have to make the reverse of the logo in this way. Here I already see that the reverse is almost going to work for sure, because I have already tested this color in black and this color, the same color in white. Well, I would have to see if this gray, the negative would be, this would be in white, and probably this would be in gray, or maybe the other way around. Yeah, we would see. But it has options to work in a negative way, and so I'm more or less confident with this. But the program works really nice, and I've still got to try it out, but it's let me work without any bugs that I've found so far, and it works fast, it's intuitive, and it's easy. It's not expensive. I'm probably going to be giving it use for some time. Thank you all for watching.